soft one, you have the water soft one. Okay, both exist, but how to choose? And then the tone, and then the colors. Okay, so in this way, let's say my eyes look at something like that, capture view like what we can do that is choose something. Okay, let's say you choose the left side. You choose the left side. If you paint exactly like this left side will not be interesting with this black here. And then some of the building is not very good shape because of the angle we snap on this part, it is not really shape to show the building and quite dark. So first of all, we recognize the horizontal line. Okay, some we cannot see like we have water, but how high you want to put it in your painting. Let's say this is your paper, this screen is your paper. You cannot put your horizontal line half 50-50. Then you will cut your painting to two equal half. So that will not be an interesting composition. So now I put a yellow line here. You can see the sky, the one above the water is more portion than the one below here. Okay, so still consider okay. But when you come to your paper, you really cannot put this line 50-50. No? So after that, okay, maybe we can crop this side. We don't want the building on the left. So we have the blue line here at this side. Okay, because we still have the focus point here. Focus point here is small building under the tree, this small or small, and this here. So this one can be a painting itself, one painting. Because the foreground is quite wide, we don't need to take the whole foreground. Okay, so the first choice would be like this. So the center of focus will be the one under the tree here. Normally we do not put our focus point in the center, in the rear center. We put a bit slight to left, right. Okay, this one is the first choice. Okay, then we add people to show activity. We change the tone. Okay, change the lighter tone and add in light and shadow. So this could be one. Okay, by other people maybe okay. This one is the one I show. Okay, propose this one. Okay, this is first choice. Second one, maybe you take more to this side, the right side. So here we don't want this. Okay, like Judy said, we don't want the people because it's something like block us, and it doesn't bring any meanings. Okay, so we can omit it. And then here the center, nothing, right? Here center nothing. The building one is on the right, one is on the left. So it will like how to say, need our concentration, not go to see one thing, but go to see two separate things, one on the left, on the right. So you lost the focus. So this center is empty one, just with three. So no interesting point, okay? No interesting subject. So maybe we don't choose that, okay? We choose more to this side, okay? We don't want to have one building on the left, one building on the right, a separate thing. Then we have an empty.
So, teacher Sherry, can we move the red roof towards a little bit further so that the center one not void? We move a bit towards.
Unless you put two buildings closer to each other.
Yes.
You put closer.
Can we adjust the distance?
Yeah, we can adjust. Okay, but must be in logic. Cannot like let's say suddenly this small store bigger than this tree. This tree, this one with the tree roof. Okay, so we may adjust, but you don't make this distance like you cut to 4 part 1, 2, 3, 4. Then nothing make people feel interested. Okay, if not, then we take this part. When we take this part, so we may omit something. Let's say this part we can see a little bit this crossdot here. So maybe we don't want this yellow crossdot here. We want the yellow here. And then we have to let's say maybe adjust this one to vertical, not horizontal but vertical. Adjust the lamppost, the height of the lamppost, make it taller. Okay. Or we adjust and add people. So the center, the points of focal point will be this one with the 3 red roof here. Okay, so if you take this 3 part, this composition here, then you need to omit again the black here. Okay, and then the railing, and then this lamppost now is in the center. If you take this right part, so when the lamppost on the center, it divides your painting to left and right. Not good. okay, not a good composition. So you need to adjust, okay. So we need to avoid the painting something in the half to separate, I mean in the center to separate the whole thing to right and left. So in this case, maybe another choice like this, okay. We make this one not a square shape. We try to put it in vertical form, okay. Make a paper in vertical way, okay. Then we focus on this. The lamp post higher, this flat one, with it. Then we change. I change the color because this one is quite dark here. This building. So if you base on photo, it's totally very dark. We cannot do that. So sometimes we must use our AI to see just the color. We have to change the color. Is it okay? So this is the way how we want to choose a good composition for painting. Okay. So the other example like this. Okay. Yeah. Before that, this one is one of the reference for our painting this lesson. Sorry, this one. This picture. So this picture when I share in the group, so I will say you can based on your own judgment, okay, based on what you like, choose your own composition. But I don't want exactly like this. Okay, I don't want to paint something exactly like this. You have to choose your own. Okay, so whatever you choose or which part you choose, that one we will comment in our next lesson. Okay, that means want to see how you choose composition, how you judge something. Okay, so this is the purpose of this lesson. Okay. So another reference is this one. This is the original.